Okay, so I quickly wanted to add on. My mic is giving me problems, so sorry for the change in sound. But I realized that I didn't speak about my symptoms, and I think it's very important that I share. I did not experience fever. None of us here at home experienced any type of fever. Our temperatures were normal. Our temperatures were okay. So that brings into question about how many other people have gone to restaurants, have gone to places, in public places, and had their temperatures taken. It was normal, and they in fact had COVID. So I think that is something that our government needs to look into. That is something that needs to be taken seriously. That is something that I think our health industries need to look into, in terms of finding other viable ways, especially in public places, where we could take extra precaution and protect each other. My symptoms were, I had headaches, I had a sore throat. My chest felt like someone was slowly burning my lungs. It didn't feel like heartburn, but it felt like someone was slowly burning my insides with, I don't know, a candle or a match or something. It just felt like it was slowly burning, but not like heartburn. It felt like someone was constantly sitting on my chest. But the weird thing is, I could take a deep breath and it feels like there's just air and nothing is in there. It just feels like there's nothing there, but there's a sensation you feel constantly throughout your 24 hours a day. I experienced diarrhea. I lost my taste. I lost my sense of smell. I couldn't taste, I couldn't smell, I couldn't do anything. I had body aches. I was exhausted. I slept a lot. I don't know if I mentioned headache. Mentally, I felt like I was losing my mind. Like, I felt like I was going crazy. I was forgetting things. I wouldn't say I blacked out, but someone would talk to me and I wouldn't really hear what they're saying. And it's like, I know you said something, but what are you saying? So I don't know if that happened because of anxiety, or it was actually part of my COVID symptoms. I don't know. There was just a lot of things that I experienced that when you go get tested, you're questioned and you have to take things that you experience. The only thing that I could say I did not experience really was the temperature, which is a cause for concern for me. But I lost my appetite. I was exhausted. I wanted to sleep all the time. My heart was beating so fast. My heart was beating so fast. It felt like I was running. I was out of it emotionally. Obviously, I'm distressed. My dad is sick. I'm worried about my mom. My parents are sick. We're all sick. I'm worried about my dad who's in the ICU. I'm worried about my mom who's sick in her bedroom, and I'm thinking, what if she gets worse? What if, worst case scenario, she also needs to go to the hospital? And I'm worried about my younger sister because she has her own health issues. On top of that, she has to deal with that. I don't know what kind of complications she's going to have to go through. So it was a lot. Pay attention to your bodies, pay attention to the people you live with. If you see any changes, just get up and go, because there was no way we could have known super earlier, because in our heads we had taken all precautions. It's no way it could be COVID. But COVID is so sneaky. COVID is so sneaky. So you want to get up and you want to face that as quickly as you possibly can and get the help that you need, so you protect yourself, so you can heal much faster, or you prevent yourself from going to the hospital because of a severe and worst case scenario. I just wanted to add that. Thank you.